I'm going to show you how to make a gratin of salmon with spinach. And I'm going to do a little bit of a white sauce here. So I need a tablespoon and a half of butter. I have 5 cups of spinach here. I'm going to put them in the microwave oven for a minute or so. So here is a tablespoon and a half of flour and a cup and a half of milk. You can have half and half. You can have cream if you want it richer. Salt, pepper, can of salmon, which is 14-15 ounces. I think I'm going to remove a little bit of the skin here and even the juice, and I crumble it. Okay, the spinach are cooked. Maybe a little bit of pepper and maybe a little dash of olive oil. That's it. So first, I'm going to put a bit of cheese and maybe even a bit of bread. I'm going to cut it coarsely. Never throw out any piece of bread. You can do crouton with it, crumb and so forth. Put that in there. If you put that on top directly, it tends to burn. So oiled breadcrumb, a bit of olive oil, or any type of oil. Not enough to get it gooey, but enough so that it's now going to brown. I have a good tablespoon of Parmesan cheese here, mixed with that. About 5-6 minutes under the broiler. As you can see, this is pretty rich. And this is it, a gratin of salmon with spinach. Happy cooking.
Our foundations, the Jacques Pepin Foundation.
I want to thank you so much.
We have been working together. Yes.
Yeah. That's amazing, you know. So thank you so much. You know, that's especially this year, you know, we didn't have any revenue like we had last year. So yeah.
Well, the Jacques Pepin Foundation, you can link to from our website. They do so many great works, and it's all about education and paying it forward to the next generation and teaching people about food and providing, of course, for those in need.
You know, you were part of the first volume. The second volume is coming, and we have people like Marcus Samuelsson, Carla Hall, Kat Cora, you know, Sarah Moulton, and so forth. So you were in the first one. Thank you so much. So that's the second volume.